So to add a bookmark folder, this is something that I do. Really, I use it just to help me stay organized because I don't like to have too many things up here on my bookmarks bar. Real quick, if you cannot see your bookmarks bar, if you go to view and just make sure that right here, always show bookmarks bar is open, and that will pop up. So if it looks like this right now, if you just click that very first thing under view, it'll pop up. Okay. So I know that when I get here in the morning, I open the same 3 tabs every day. And so if you can just add a bookmark folder, this will help you kind of just stay a little bit more organized and maybe help you save a little bit of time in the morning because it's always hectic when we get here first thing. So if you, on your bookmarks bar, let's say we want to add a folder. If you do a 2-finger click and you click add folder, you can name it whatever you would like to. So I'm going to name mine morning folder, and I'm going to press save. And so now it's here. And so the same 3 tabs that I open every morning, it's my timekeeper, my staff page, just so I can click on anything and log into anything that's on here, but mainly the NC Ed Cloud link, and then my email. So if I want to add this page to my morning folder, I can click on this star and I can click add bookmark. And we want to make sure that right here that we click on this drop down menu, and if I want it in my morning folder, then I click there and I click done, and so now it shows up under here. And I want to do that for the other tabs as well. So add bookmark, it says morning folder, so we're good. If you already had, let's say you already had this one on your bookmarks bar and you want to add it to that morning folder, you can also drag it in there, okay, and it'll show up. So then you can also, let's say, because that's the first thing I do when I get here in the morning, so that's the first thing I want to look at, I can drag that to the front. And what you can do when you open a new window in Chrome now is you can do a 2-finger click and you can say open all 3. And so now they will open automatically. Okay, so you don't have to go searching for them, or even here you don't have to go click, click, click. They'll just automatically open. Something else that you are able to do within folders is you can add folders within the folders to even help you stay organized that way. I use this a lot at the beginning of the school year and over the summer when I was trying to find resources for my new Math 4 class. There were new standards this year. So I was trying to find resources because there wasn't really a lot out there at the time that I could use to help me build this course. And this just helped me stay organized because it wasn't things that I could do anything with at the moment, but it was things that I thought might be helpful for me later on. And so this just helped me keep them in a place and help me remember what they were. Because if I was looking at this and I was saying, oh, untitled, I don't know what that is, but because it's in my piecewise folder right here, I know that it has something to do with piecewise functions. So if I would like to add a folder within a folder, I just do that 2-finger click, add folder, and I'll just name this one exponential. Okay, just make sure that this is highlighted the right place, because if you have one of these folders highlighted, it will put that folder within a folder, and then it gets confusing trying to find. And then we just press save. And so now I have this. So let's say like this is about exponential functions. I can drag that in there, and now that's in that folder. And so again, that just helps me stay organized because I know I don't like to have a lot of tabs open. I don't like to have a lot of things on my bookmarks bar. I like to be able to find them pretty easily and quickly if I need to. And that's just a very simple way to help me save some time in the morning and as I'm looking for things that I need throughout the day.